Today we'll start with onto function. Today we'll start with onto function. So what is this onto function? Let f is okay. 1 minute. Some problem.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Function. So what is onto function? Let f is a function from A to B. Okay. Let f is a function from A to B. Okay. This is the first condition. If at all, if codomain, simply codomain equal to range. Codomain equal to range. If codomain equal to range, then f is called onto. F is called onto. So what is the very? I think this you understand very simple definition. What is that? If at all codomain and range both are equal, then it's called onto function. Or this another way you can say, f is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B is onto function if every element in B is an image of at least one element in A. That means every element in B should be an image. Every element in B is an image means what? B equal to range. So every element in B is an image. So set of images you will get B only. This and this codomain equal to range. So what is range? Set of images. Now what is set of images in this onto function? Every element in B is an image. So for example, like this. This is A. This is B. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So like this. Now what is see here, every element in B is an image. A is an image of at least one element, B is an image, C is an image. So what is codomain? Codomain is what is B? Codomain is B. What is range? What is range? Range is what here? Range is ABC. Range.
ABC.
Range is what? Range is also ABC. So codomain is also ABC. That means what? If every element is an image, this is image, this is image, this is image. That means range means set of images. Set of images is codomain. So codomain equal to range. What does it mean? Codomain equal to range means every element is image. Set of images is what is range. So every element is image. Okay, so that's what is onto function. So we'll take more examples for onto function. So let's take another example. So example 2. So what is that? Let's take this is A and this is B. First we'll take finite functions. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C. Now, is it first of all function? First you have to check whether it is a function or not. Yes, f is a function from A to B. We write like this. F maps A to B. F maps A to B. That means f is a function from A to B. Yes, because 1, 2, 3, 4, every element has an image. 1 has only one image, 2 has only one image, 3 has only one image, 4 has only one image. So every element has unique image. So every element, all 4 elements have one images. So therefore it is function. Now whether it is one function or not, it's a function. One function or not, one function or not, how do you know? Different elements should have different image. That means here 4 elements are there. So at least here 4 images must be there. So but here 1 and 3 have same image. So therefore it's not 1 because different elements should have different images. 1 and 3 different elements have same image. Here f of 1 equal to f of 3. Yes, f of 1 equal to f of 1 is B, f of 3 is B. See, f of 1 equal to f of 3, but 1 is not equal to 3. What is the condition? F of x1 equal to f of x2, then what should happen? X1 equal to x2 should happen. If images are equal, images one image, three images are equal, then elements should be equal. That means what? Different elements have same image. Reverse. So it's not not one. Onto or not. How do you know onto or not? You have to find out codomain. Codomain is B. What is range? B is codomain, you know. Codomain is always B only. Codomain. What is range then? What is range here? Range is ABC. ABC. So that means that is only B. Codomain equal to range. So that means here every element is an image. In B, every element should be an image. So then that becomes onto function. So another example. A and this is B. Another example. This is F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3 only. Let's say here A, B, C, D. So this is now like this. Whether it is onto function or not. First of all, whether it is function. Yes, F is a function from A to B. Yes, F is a function from A to B. 1, 1 or not? Yes, 1, 1. Because here 1, 2, 3. Three different elements have three different images. Different elements have different images. Or no two elements have same image. ఏ రెండు elements కూడా same image లేదు. See, all three different elements have different images. Therefore, it is 1, 1 function. Whether it's onto or not is the question now. Whether it's onto or not, no, it's not onto. Why? Codomain is what? B is codomain. But codomain is not equal to range. What is range? Range is only ABC. Range is only ABC. That means what? Every element should be an image. A should be image, B should be image, C should be image, D should be image. But here D is not an image of any element in A. So what is the condition? Every element should be image. Na? If every element is image, so then every element is there in range. That means codomain becomes equal to range. But here, that's not possible. Therefore, it is not onto function. Every element is not an image. Therefore, it's not onto. Not onto. Not onto. All right. The next. Now we'll take next example. Now we'll take this one. So now we'll take a infinite function. We take. Let f maps R to R defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 3. So yesterday we discussed. Here, first thing we have to check is whether it is function or not. Yes, function. Obviously, it's function. Already we wrote here. It's function. So whether it is 1, 1 function or not. Yes, 1, 1 function. Yes, it's 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function. Now, second, whether it is onto function or not. Onto function or not. We have to check onto function or not. How do we know whether it's onto function or not? How do we know it's onto function or not? This is a tricky part here. What is codomain? Now, codomain is real number. Codomain is set of real numbers. Now I am finding range. I have to find range. Range means what? Images. Now here, range. How do you find range? What is range? You have to find. To find out range here, I am finding range. How do I find range is the question here. Now x is a real number because x you have to take from domain. If you take x real number, then what is the image you are getting? X is a real number. Then 2x is also a real number. 2x minus 3 also real number. That means what is the range? Range also will get set of all real numbers. Okay, this way one. Another definition I will tell you. Or another definition is what? From this, another definition I am telling. What is another definition here? Every element should have pre-image. A should be image means what? A should have pre-image, B should have pre-image, C should have pre-image. Therefore, another definition is every element in B has at least one pre-image. This is all same only, one pre-image in A, one pre-image in A. Every element in B, A has one pre-image 2, B has one pre-image 1, C has one pre-image 3. Therefore, it is onto function. Our codomain now became range. That and all these are same only. Okay, now in this case, A has one preimage, B has two preimages, no problem. C has one preimage, therefore it is onto function. Here A has preimage, B has preimage, C has preimage, D has no preimage, therefore it's not onto function. Like this also you can say. Now, here what I am saying is every element should have preimage. Now, how do you find preimage? Now, any element if I take, so this is image, this is image, this is image. All right. So now I am taking, if I take x here, its image is 2x minus 3 is here. If I take x here, then 2x minus 3 is here. Hope you understand. This is set of real numbers. This is all set of real numbers. Here, if I take x, I have to take where? From here I have to take. Its image will be 2x minus 3 will be here. So that means here, whatever x I take also, I will get here real number. So that means for every element here, you will get image, or for every element in B, this is set B, codomain. So now let's say, let y belongs to codomain. From codomain, I am taking one element. You understand this process properly. From codomain, I am taking one element, y I am taking. So y should be, y will be in this form. Y must be equal to 2x minus 3. Then y must be equal to, here y I am taking here, y if I take it, this must be in the form of 2x minus 3 only, because every element is in the form of 2x minus 3. Then y plus 3 becomes equal to 2x. Then x becomes y plus 3 by 2. That means now for every y belongs to B, that is codomain, Cody. So then there exists preimage. There exists preimage. What is that preimage? Preimage. What is that? Y plus 3 by 2 in domain. What does it mean? If I take, for example, here, what will be there here? For example, 1 is there. Let's say here 1 is there. One preimage is what? One preimage is what? Means 1 plus 3 by 2. That is 2. One preimage is 2. If you want, you can check. Okay, if you take here 2, 2 to the 4 minus, see, 2 to the 4 minus 3, 1. So 2, one preimage is 2. Like that, if you take whatever preimage, if you want, you can find out. This is the process. This is a process to find preimage.
Sir.
This is a process to find preimage. 1 minute. Okay, so now I am telling again example. You please listen. So here what I am saying, number of elements in A, for onto function, number of elements in A must be greater than or equal to number of elements in B. So here thing is, here let's say A, here B. Now in B I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4 elements I am taking. So 1 there should be image. So 1 there should be preimage, 2 there should be preimage, 3 there should be preimage, 4 there should be preimage. Okay, so now one element extra is there. Now if I keep like this, there is no problem. That means here 4 has two preimages. 4 has two preimages. That means here A has more number of elements. Okay, no problem. Actually, like this also. Here let's say 1, 2, 3 you have. Here you have only A you have. So this is also onto function. But it's not 1 function, AB. It's not 1 function. It's onto function because all the 3 elements have same image, no problem. 1 has only one image, 2 has only one image, 3 has only one image. So its function, it's a 1 it's function, but it's not 1 function, but onto function. So it's so simple. For onto function, what is the condition? Number of elements in A must be greater than or equal to number of elements in B. You can see these two examples. But whereas for 1 function, for 1 function, for 1 function, what is the condition? You see here. Here this is A, let's say this is B. So here 1, 2, 3 is there. Here A, B, C, D is there. So if I like this, if I do, that is 1 function. 1 function means one element is left in B, no problem. 1 function. So that means for 1 function, what is the condition? Here 3 different elements are there. Here you must have 3 different elements or more. So 3 different elements, 3 different images should be there. 1 extra element is there, 2 extra, no problem. So n of A must be less than or equal to n of B. For what function? This is for 1 function. This is for what function? This is onto function. For onto function, number of elements in A must be greater than or equal to number of elements in B. Then only onto function exists. Here for 1 function, number of elements in A must be less than or equal to number of elements in B. That is a condition. So this is for one finite function. For infinite function, what is the condition? You cannot calculate here the infinite number of elements. Here also infinite number of elements. So therefore, what you need to check is whether pre-image exists or not. For every element, pre-image exists or not. How do you find pre-image? I told you. So here, let's say y you are taking from set B codomain. From set B, this is set B. If you have taken y from set B, this there exists pre-image. Y you have taken, this is for this y value should be equal to x minus 3 because this is image. No, y is image. No, y you are taking from B. It should be image of x. Let y is image of x. Let y is image of x. So 2x minus 3 equal to y I am taking. Then what will happen? 2x equal to y plus 3. Then x equal to y plus 3 by 2. Where this y we are taking from codomain. Then x should be where? This x should be y plus 3 by 2. This should be where? This should belong to domain. Its pre-image should be in domain. Then only it is function. But here if you see y and whatever real number you take also, y plus 3 by 2 also a real number. So therefore it exists here. So now I'll give you more examples for this. So here, let's say now here example 2 for onto function example 2 I'm doing. So f maps here R. Okay, now let's take okay R to R defined as f of x equal to x. Very simple. F of x equal, let's say 2x. Very simple example I'm taking 2x. So here solution whether it's onto function or not is a question. Okay, so here let's take here R, here also R, this function here. So here if I take here 2, if I take here 1, here R means all the elements where its pre-image is 1 by 2, because you see f of 1 by 2 is what? Equal to 2 into 1 by 2 is what? Is 1, na? So its pre-image is 2. If I take 1, if I take here 1, then what is the image of 1 here? 2. For 2, what's the pre-image? 1, like that. Pre-image is 1. So then what is this here? Let y is there in codomain. So if I take y in codomain, then what will happen? This y should be equal to 2x. That means what? Y is image of x. Y is image of x. But image of x is what? 2x. So then x becomes what? Y by 2. Then if I take here y, then y by 2 will be here. Whatever y I take here, y, whatever real number you take, then y by 2 is a real number that will be there in domain. If you take codomain some y, then y by 2 will be there in domain. So therefore, for every element there is image y by 2. What is the image? For 1, its pre-image is 1 by 2. For 2, its pre-image is 2 by 2. For y, its pre-image is y by 2. So therefore, for every element there is a pre-image. Therefore, it is onto function.